Looking for the most efficient way to offer remote tech support? GoTo Resolve could be the solution you've been searching for. But before you make any decisions, let's take a closer look at its features, pros, cons, and alternatives that might just suit your needs even better. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly whether GoTo Resolve is the right choice for you, or if you should consider something else for optimal remote support. Let's kick things off with the core reason why GoTo Resolve stands out. It offers seamless remote troubleshooting with an intuitive interface, meaning your tech support team can jump in, diagnose, and fix issues in real time without wasting time on setup or complexity. You've got one-click access to all the essential tools, including remote access, screen sharing, and file transfer, all within a sleek dashboard. Next thing to consider, GoTo Resolve is specifically designed with small and medium businesses in mind. Its pricing is fairly competitive, especially for those looking for simple and quick solutions. You don't have to pay for excess features you won't use, which is a big plus for smaller operations. Plus, it integrates easily with a lot of other systems, like Google Workspace and Microsoft, helping keep your workflows streamlined. However, don't get too excited just yet. While GoTo Resolve definitely shines with its ease of use, it does have its limitations. First, its reporting tools could be more robust. If you're the type who likes in-depth analytics to assess your support team's performance, you might be left wanting more. The reporting features are basic and might not provide enough insights for larger or more complex teams. The fourth thing to mention is customer support. While GoTo Resolve offers 24/7 support, many users have mentioned long wait times and inconsistent assistance, especially during peak hours. This can be a deal breaker if your business requires fast responses. For something that's supposed to be a remote support tool, it's ironic that users experience delays when they need help. Now, let's talk about its competitors. Remote support is a saturated market, and while GoTo Resolve is good, it's not the best option for everyone. Alternatives like TeamViewer and AnyDesk offer more powerful remote tools with better file transfer options and stronger security measures. If your primary goal is security, GoTo Resolve falls short in comparison to these rivals, who have more comprehensive encryption and two-factor authentication features. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing. GoTo Resolve is reasonably priced for small businesses, but when you start scaling, the cost can quickly become a concern. If you have a larger team or plan to grow, you may find that other software offers better value in the long run. TeamViewer, for example, has a similar pricing structure, but more features that could scale with your business. If you're looking to future-proof your investment, you might want to look beyond GoTo Resolve. But here's the kicker. Despite all of its pros and cons, GoTo Resolve still offers a solid entry-level option for small businesses. If you're just getting started and need an easy-to-use remote support tool without overwhelming features, GoTo Resolve might still be the best fit for you. And here's where it gets interesting. For our viewers, we have an exclusive, extended free trial for GoTo Resolve. But that's not all. We've also compiled a list of top-notch alternatives, some of which offer better scalability, security, and customer support for your remote tech support needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you. So make sure to check the description to claim your deal. In the end, whether GoTo Resolve works for you or not depends on your specific business needs. If you're a small company looking for simplicity and quick remote tech support, it could be the right choice. But if you're aiming for more robust features, more powerful integrations, and superior security, be sure to explore the alternatives we've recommended. So go ahead, click that link, and start your free trial today.